feeling lost with no place to hide. Trying to smile, but the pain's still there. Heart so heavy, full of wear and tear. You've been searching far and wide for a love that won't just pass you by. But there's a healer calling out your name. He's not afraid of your broken shame. Jesus, let your river flow, wash my heart and cleanse my soul. Take this hurt, this fear, this pain, and pour down mercy like the rain. No more shame, no need to hide. You bring the dead back to life inside. Baptize me in your healing glow. Jesus, let your river flow. Frustration runs so deep, I know, but grace has a way of breaking through slow. Insecurity's got nothing on your love. You lift me up when I'm not enough. Jesus, let your river flow, wash my heart and cleanse my soul. Take this hurt, this fear, this pain, and pour down mercy like the rain. No more shame, no need to hide. You bring the dead back to life inside. Baptize me in your healing glow. Jesus, let your river, let it flow, let it rise like a flood across my life. Holy water rushing in, healing every place I've been. Let it flow, let it roll. I'm not running it anymore. Here I am, let it start flowing straight into my heart. Jesus, let your river flow, wash me deeper than I know. Take this broken, make it whole. You're the anchor to my soul. No more shame, no fear to fight. You bring the dark into the light. Baptize me in your healing glow. Jesus, let your river flow.